Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering facts and intent. Identify which app or device limit stops you and why additional time matters. Once done, document specific needs, homework deadlines, remote work hours, or medical reasons, and note times when extra access is required. Make sure to collect schedules, screenshots, or messages that support your case. You do not bypass controls. You prepare a clear, honest request for adjustment. This establishes credibility and reduces conflict. When you approach the person or admin, you now move into negotiation. Present a precise proposal, specific hours, app exceptions, or task-based unlocks, so decision-makers see clear boundaries. Explain why this change helps productivity or well-being and suggest measurable criteria for success. Offer reciprocal commitments, such as completing chores, improving grades, or adding daily screen-free blocks. Once agreed, set a 1-2-week trial with a scheduled review. That shows you're accountable and makes it easier for the other person to accept a temporary, reversible adjustment. You finish by implementing the agreed plan through proper channels. Ask the family organizer or admin to adjust settings or use account permissions you were granted. Then monitor use against your goals and keep a short log to show progress. If problems arise, address them calmly. Present your log and ask for a mediated check-in or propose a smaller change. If access remains denied, respect the decision and explore alternative solutions like scheduling group study or using public computers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.